The coal city state Enugu produces the first Igbo Muslim appointed as chief of Imam of the National Mosque in Abuja, Professor Ilyasu Tochukwu Usman. While this sounds surprising to many, Professor Ilyasu states he is unapologetic being an Igbo, emphasizing he is a proud son of the soil. The first Igbo professor of Arabic studies stated, like all cultures, there are good and negative ones. He stated that while his religion is against some of the Igbo culture, some are in line with what the religion teaches. Usman stated this at the unveiling of the Imams of the National Mosque, Abuja, by the Secretary General of the Nigerian Supreme Council for Islamic Affairs, NSCIA, Professor Ishiak Oloyede. I want to say this unapologetically. Actually, every tribe has a culture and every individual has a culture, where you are a Muslim or Christian. In every culture, there are positives and negatives. For instance, in Igbo land, there was a time where twins were killed because they are seen as an abomination in the society. And we know that even a practicing Christian would not accept this kind of culture. For instance, as a Muslim, my religion prohibits me from indulging in alcoholism. And I know that part of my culture is that whenever we have festivals, alcohol is consumed. As a Muslim, this kind of culture is an abomination because my religion prohibits it. So in every tribe, there are good and bad cultures. I accept good Igbo cultures. He buttressed this point saying, in Southeast, we have good communal relationships where we are a brother's keeper. I accept that. When a brother, whether Muslim or non-Muslim, has a problem, I assist. This is a good culture. Earlier, Oloyede said the Nigerian Supreme Council for Islamic Affairs, NSCIA, since the establishment of the National Mosque in 1984, has been appointing in succession qualified Muslims who are worthy in character and scholarship to oversee the spiritual activities of the faithful. So you can see that we are not just appointing an imam from the southeast, south-south zone. We are indeed appointing two imams from that zone. That shows clearly that in Islam, it is about qualification. Arise TV quoted him. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more real-time update and exclusive videos.